Hey guys, my name is Beige. I know y'all thought that was my hair in the intro. I know y'all thought that that was my hair, but I'm so sorry to disappoint you. It's a wig. Yes, this wig is from Nadula Hair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I am wearing today is a 24-inch curly lace front wig with a curly hairline. The cap construction features 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. The hairline does come pre-plucked, but straight out of the package, the knots are not bleached. So I am going to bleach the knots off camera, and here is how the wig looks after having the knots bleached and the hair washed and deep conditioned. This is the natural curl pattern. It's so beautiful. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do to this wig is customize the color of the lace. I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation, and I'll be spraying that along the hairline portion of the lace frontal. The second color is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of the lace frontal. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. So now that the lace is a perfect match for my complexion, I am going to style the hair because I love how this natural curl pattern looks. I don't want to weigh it down with heavy gels. So I'm just going to spray a conditioner and water mix to the hair and use my Denman brush to get these curls to pop. Now I'm just going to grab my brush and comb those baby hairs forward. The edges of the wig, the description says that the edges are curly. However, they're not curling up as I would have expected them to curl up. They're pretty straight looking, if you see what I mean. And I did add some gel to it because I'm like, okay, maybe I just need to add some gel to get these curls to, activate and take form. But they're not really curling up. So those are how the edges look. I'm just going to grab my diffuser and just diffuse through this hair a little bit more until I figure out what I want to do to the hairline portion of the wig. But look how beautiful these curls are. These curls are so pretty. The texture of this hair just gives this curl pattern such a believable look. Now it's time for me to cut away this extra lace. So I'm grabbing a pair of shears and I'm going to carefully cut around the ear tabs of the wig. And then after that, I'm just going to cut a slice down the center of the frontal portion of it. And that's going to separate it into 2 sections. I'm grabbing a pair of pinking shears and I'm going to carefully cut right in front of the hairline to remove that extra lace. Okay, so now it's time to prepare my skin for install. I'm grabbing alcohol and I'm going to clean off my forehead. Then I'll be grabbing scalp protector from Walker Tape and applying that to my scalp. So now I'm just going to grab Wonder Lace Bond from Even New York and the wig. I'm going to hold the wig on its side and then just spray a very thin layer of that Wonder Lace Bond to the edge of the under portion of the lace and then blow dry for a few seconds until that adhesive becomes tacky. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in its proper placement and then just use my fingertips to kind of press that lace down. And because this is a curly edge video with a curly edge wig, I'm going to make sure that I keep those edges coming forward so that they don't get lost in translation with the rest of the hair. After removing my head scarf, I'm just going to mess around with these baby hairs. I'm not exactly sure what to do with them because they didn't curl up. I am using some of that conditioner and water just to mold them into shape a little bit more. But I did just decide to use some gel and just do some swirly baby hairs really quickly. So I did want to do a half up, half down hairstyle. So I just sectioned off where I want my ponytail to go. I'm just grabbing a brush and some gel, applying that to my ponytail, and then using a rubber band to hold that into place. And here is the finished look. I think it came out so cute. This wig is so flawless once melted. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the sun. It's unclockable. Like, it was such a beautiful look. I love the texture, I love the density, I love the curl pattern. I love how the lace just melted into my skin. Overall, this one is definitely one of my favorites just on the curl pattern alone. I did end up wearing this hairstyle all down so you guys can see how it looks down as well, but I love the density of it. You can do so many different hairstyles with this. Definitely something to look into. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.